If you are a fan of peanut butter desserts, you will love this amazing chocolate peanut butter cake recipe using cake mix. It is hard to resist the amazing flavors, as they pair so well together. This cake will be a hit at any party or event you go to. This recipe is simple to make and requires no prior baking experience, so no need to worry if you are a newbie. It is great for birthday parties, barbecues, potlucks, and dinner parties. Your friends and family are all sure to love this tasty chocolate peanut butter cake. What you will need. Ingredients: 1 package Betty Crocker Devil's Food Cake Mix, 1 1/4 cup water, ½ cup vegetable oil, 3 eggs, 1 cup creamy peanut butter, 1 tablespoon canola oil or vegetable oil, 16 ounces chocolate frosting. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray the 13 by 9-inch cake pan with cooking spray. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, use an electric mixer to beat together the cake mix, vegetable oil, and eggs. Mix on medium speed until fully combined. Alternatively, mix thoroughly by hand for 2 minutes. Step 3. Bake the cake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the middle comes out clean. If there is batter or crumbs on the cake, continue to bake. Cool the cake for 10 minutes in the pan before transferring it to a wire rack to cool. Step 4. In a small bowl, mix the peanut butter and canola oil. Spread the peanut butter mixture on the cake while it is still warm. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt the frosting for 25 to 30 seconds or until the frosting is pourable. Stir until the frosting is smooth. Step 5. Pour the heated frosting onto the cake, spreading it smoothly on. Let the cake stand until the frosting is set. Slice and serve the cake once set. Tips and tricks. Store this cake in an airtight container at room temperature for 3 to 4 days. You can also store the cake in the fridge in an airtight container for up to 1 week. In addition, you can also make the cake ahead of time and freeze it for when you need it to save you time. Set the cake in the freezer uncovered for 1 hour to let the frosting freeze. Then, wrap the cake in plastic wrap and aluminum foil or an airtight container. The cake can be frozen for 3 to 6 months. When ready to serve, allow the cake to thaw at room temperature overnight or on the counter at room temperature for 2 hours. Serve chilled or at room temperature, depending on your personal preference. For a more peanut butter experience, top your cake with miniature Reese's peanut butter cups or Reese's Pieces. You can also drizzle it with chocolate sauce, peanut butter sauce, or even caramel sauce. For more texture, you can use crunchy peanut butter or even top it with chopped peanuts. This cake is great served on its own or with your favorite ice cream. Try it with a scoop of vanilla, chocolate, or even peanut butter ice cream. This will make for a truly irresistible dessert, great for serving at any summer party or barbecue. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.